Hi guys! I'm Lovely Ann Rose from 327 CS Psychology, and I will discuss all about the personal characteristics of a good counselor, Part 2. The last 4 aspects of personal characteristics of a good counselor are tragic sense, unconditional positive regard, sense of humor, and the self-awareness. Let's begin with the tragic sense. Tragic sense. All human beings have its own limitations, and tragic sense helps the counselor to remain humble, and it also inducts the sense of humanity in him. Counselors are people who don't have better brains, but are people who readily listens to the client's problems. Unconditional positive regard. Rogers came up with the term unconditional positive regard, which refers to necessary conditions for therapeutic changes in counseling relationships. Rogers emphasized that the counselor's positive feeling for the client will never be conditional in nature. Also, the counselor should be not judgmental and broad-minded in order to have a positive general disposition in the client's problem and sense of humor. A sense of humor comes handy in rescuing delicate and sensitive situations. It doesn't mean that the counselor have its own comedian tactics, but it should help the client to regain the larger picture of the problem. Also, it calms down the tense atmosphere when the client builds up or says his problem. Self-awareness. James Allen once believed that a man is literally what he thinks, his character being the complete sum of all his thoughts. Self-awareness means that being aware of oneself, to explore one's life situation and to know the limitation and strengths of oneself. So that was the last 4 personal characteristics of a good counselor. Just remember that counselors do not have the solutions to the conflict of people. Thus, they listen or facilitate or guide people to answer or to solve their own problems. Thank you for watching my video and God bless. Follow me on Twitter and add me on Facebook. Thank you, bye! James Allen once believed one is delicate and sensitive situation. But it seems that it means that it helps to tragic sense. Tragic sense. Unconditional positive regard.
Oh, ikaw yon. Ikaw yon.
Insufficient conditions for